You think your kitchen sink is just a sink? Think again. Beneath that shiny surface, an invisible world is thriving, a biofilm metropolis where bacteria, fungi, and even tiny creatures live, multiply, and interact in ways that would blow your mind. Some are harmless, some can make you sick. And some? They're so bizarre, they could belong in a sci-fi movie. Why does your sink smell, even after scrubbing? Is your kitchen sponge really dirtier than your toilet seat? And how do these microbes survive, no matter how much you clean? Stick with me till the end. I'll also share simple, science-backed ways to keep your sink fresh without over-sanitizing your home. Ready to dive into the hidden world beneath your sink? Let's go. 1. A microbial wonderland. If you swabbed your kitchen sink and checked it under a microscope, you'd uncover an entire universe of life. E. coli, common in raw food residue, it can survive for hours on your sink's surface. Salmonella thrives in moisture, making your sink its dream home. Pseudomonas forms slimy biofilms, making bacteria resistant to many cleaners. These biofilms are like microscopic fortresses, shielding bacteria from soaps and disinfectants. That's why scrubbing alone might not be enough. 2. The science of biofilms, your sink's secret slime. Ever noticed that slimy layer inside your drain? That's not just dirt, it's biofilm, a living structure where bacteria and fungi work together, exchanging nutrients and even communicating. Did you know bacteria talk to each other? Through a process called quorum sensing, microbes send chemical signals to coordinate attacks and resist cleaners. This is also why your sink sometimes has a weird smell. It's microbial activity at work. 3. Tiny creatures you never knew existed. If you've ever seen tiny flies near your sink, you might have drainfly larvae living inside your pipes. They love feeding on organic gunk stuck in the drain. But flies aren't the only creatures here. Your sink is a buffet for yeasts, molds, and even waterborne protozoa. The sink is damp and food-rich, so they can often survive in biofilms for weeks even after cleaning. 4. Your sink as a mini chemistry lab. Your sink isn't just home to microbes, it's also a science lab where chemical reactions happen daily. Have you ever poured baking soda and vinegar down the drain? That fizzing reaction releases carbon dioxide, breaking up grime. Ever mixed bleach with another cleaner? Be careful, it can release toxic gases. Understanding the chemistry of your sink can help you clean smarter, not harder. 5. How to keep your sink's hidden world in check. So how do you manage this microbial metropolis without turning your home into a sterile wasteland? Here's what science says. Flush your drain weekly. Hot water and vinegar help break down biofilms. Sanitize sponges. Microwave a damp sponge for 1 to 2 minutes to kill bacteria. Avoid pouring oil down the drain. It traps bacteria and clogs pipes. Use a sink strainer. It catches food bits before they rot in the drain. A little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your sink fresh and microbe-friendly, without the nasty side effects. Your kitchen sink is more than just a place to wash dishes. It's a living ecosystem filled with hidden science, tiny creatures, and unexpected chemistry. Did you learn something new? Hit that like button. Subscribe for more mind-blowing facts about the hidden germs in everyday life.